Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please welcome. My name is Ella. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I styled this baby right here. Since I made this hair, it's very difficult for me to style, but because it's very long, but I'm going to show you different types of hairstyle that I do on this hair. I don't want to prolong this intro, so without any further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, normally I go out like having my hair laid down like this. Like this is quite easy for me. Like if you see this hair is very long, so because it's difficult for me to style, but today I'm going to show you some few styles I do. So first off, I'm going to do like a flat twist. I'm looking here because there's a mirror there, so it's not weight. So I'm going to do a flat twist on this one. So take one out and another, or you can take two. Just be putting it under, just like that. You take another one, you put it under. That's how you do it. So once you have that, you can take your rubber or whatever you're using to hold your hair. I'm using a rubber band, so you use it to hold this part like this. Yeah. So once this is done like this, you do the same this side. Once you have the two twists right here, you use it and go. You take it behind like this. Yeah. So you pack it behind. Yeah. This is the first look. I'll show you behind, don't worry. So that's look number one. My hair is laid down flat again. So I'm going to show you number two look. This look is like, I love doing it, it's very easy. So you have to part your hair however you like it, whether in the middle or at the side. I like side parting, like, but this is not well to the side, but I love it. You have to part your hair in half. Yes, as you've done that, you take this one all the way up. You take this all the way up like this. Yeah. Then I don't want to use the rubber for this because it normally mess up my hair. It gets my hair tangled, so I'm going to use one of my twists my hair and tie this like this. once you've done that, you can put it in the hair like this. Then do the same for the side. Yeah, and this is look number 2. Yes, this is number 2 look. So I'm going to show you number 3. This is actually a continuation of this hair, so it's very simple. You just have to roll your hair, then you can start behind. One done, then you do the other side. After you're done, you can decide to like pin it or hold it with a rubber, but because this is a video, I'm not going to do it. I don't want to waste my time with that, so that it won't fall off. You have to hold it with a pin or maybe with a rubber. You can hold it like this. Yeah, this is number 3. We are back for look number 4. So this one is kind of easy and not too easy though, but you have to make sure that all your hair is moved to the side. Yes. So you have to do a flat twist again. Just like that. You know how to do a flat twist? We did it before. You take one, grab under, both under, grab. That's how you do it. You grab, and you. So, how do I look? This is look number 4. Back for look number 5. So this one is quite easy, everyone does it. So it's just like a high ponytail or something. This is quite hard for me to do, so I have to bend up. You can use your band, but as normal, I'll take out 1 or 2 of my hair and use it to tie it. This is not like this is 5. I normally go to school with this, so yeah. So we're going to do look number 6, which is a continuation of this look, which is like a bun. Yes. This is the biggest bun in Africa. That's what you get when you have a long hair. See, the bun is too big. But yeah, that's look number 6. So we are back for look number 7, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. So this, I'm weird. So this you have to like start from the beginning of your hair here all the way up like that. As usual, I take a piece of my hair and tie here. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So it doesn't look done yet, but it's look number 7. Let's move ahead to look number 8, which is maybe doing a bun on top of this. Yes. Sometimes I used to you have to tie this with a rubber or probably with a pin. So mine is getting in my face, but I normally do it this way. So that is look number 8, but you can still like fold it all the way through. Yes, like that, and I look like Yemi Alade. Hey, yeah. I'm not a singer, please. So I think I'm dollar. Yes. So that's look number 9. Let's go ahead for look number 10. So this look is kind of easy, like very easy for anybody to do. You just have to do a flat twist. If you don't want, you can just roll your hair like this, like if you don't know how to do a flat twist. But you just have to do a flat twist with like just a tiny little bit amount of your hair, like this side. Yes. Then take it over to this side. To this side and take this front part of your hair, then join it like this. Join it in the twist. with your band or with this, and to tie it here. Yes, so this is look number 10. How do you like it? Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and I hope the video is helpful to you, because those are the 10 hairstyles like I do on this hair every day. Like, it's super easy to do, super simple and super quick. It won't take a lot of your time to do it. So please, if you like this video and if you enjoy it, please make sure to leave me a big like, subscribe, click notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. It's not funny, please subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.